What's up, family? Here I am back in Punta Gorda. Man, it's been 6 days since we officially closed on the property, and I just want to give you guys an update on exactly where we are now. With this renovation, this is my first time doing a hard money loan. So all of our fix and flips and all of our investment properties we did in the past have all been our own money. All right. So doing using hard money, of course, there's some lessons to be learned. All right. My assumption of using hard money to acquire this property and also for the renovation was that after you acquired the property, hard money lender was going to actually fund the renovations because they did an escrow draw, right, an escrow holdback for the renovation costs. And I thought that was it. We finna close, we finna get a check, right, and we finna go and do our renovations. So first learning lesson: when using hard money, man, you still have to have cash put aside for the renovations. Even though the hard money lender is going to give you an escrow drawback, right, to cover the renovations, you still have to fund it first. And then it's almost like a refund, right? Then they'll refund you the renovation costs based on your scope of work, based on your scope of work. So you got to be very detailed, and they do it by line item. And then outside of that, they don't pay you out from your escrow holdback until they come out and actually inspect the work that has been done. And so therefore they go by a line item on your scope of work, right, based on what you complete, and they'll refund you based on what was paid or what was completed from your scope of work. Now, if you've done some things that wasn't on your scope of work and you came out of pocket, they will not refund you for those items. So it's very important to be very detailed on your scope of work. All right, so but that's that, man. We are 6 days. We're only 6 days into this project. So because of the challenges we came into using a hard money lender, we had to adjust some certain things with this project. So I mean, of course, we normally do a pretty good job or pretty fast job on our flips, but this one we're trying to make it even faster because again, they don't pay out until you complete the work, and I don't want to drag this job out any more time than I have to. So the faster we can complete it, the faster we'll get reimbursed from our expenses, and at the same time, the faster we can get it back on the market if we decide to go ahead and do a fix and flip on this property. All right. Look, I'll break down the details on the inside, but for now, look, let's go and check out what progress we have made in only 6 days since closing. Yo. So here we are. All of our 24 or 48 tile. Yeah, so with this situation right here, right? You can see behind me. All right, so because we was moving so fast on this project, what we ended up doing was end up gutting the drop ceiling it had right here, and there's way too many wires that's ran, and what this would have done was put us outside of our budget because the electrician would have had to rerun all those wires. So we wanted to make sure that we got that stuff back. All right, so they're going to be installing our drop ceiling back here, just the frame, just the exterior frame. So you look around the exterior, just the exterior frame to hide all those electrical wires, and then the electrician going to be coming in, putting our lights in. We also, as you can see, you can see over here, we're getting it repiped. There was copper plumbing in this home, so the plumbers are here now, and they're running the wires, running the pipes through the attic, all right, to repipe this house. It's only a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but it's like 23 drops. So with 23 drops, of course, one of the what added more drops was this situation. Right there we have an outdoor sink, kitchen. So we got we're gonna drop in that corner, come down to furnish this sink, and then we're gonna go through the rock and then come in on the back side of the kitchen cabinets to bring because this is all block. Let's see what we have in here. So this is our shower. Same thing here. You know, we got to get the electrician to come in and move some wires, because we did remove that drop ceiling. Here over the vanity, the drop ceiling was fine, but for the bathrooms it's not. So the electrician got to come in and move some wires for us, and he'll be here on Tuesday. We've already redone the light fixtures, so we have our ceiling fans and everything already, and then we've already redone the light fixtures in here as well. So we're moving again. We're making a lot of progress, so we expect to be out of this, be done with this in exactly 3 weeks. So we have our cabinet guy coming in on Thursday to install our kitchen cabinets and also the outside, and once that's completed, we'll have the guys come in and measure the counters, measure for our countertop installation. So this is what we have, man. Look, make sure you follow the channel for more updates, man. I'll be giving you guys more updates on, was that Thursday when the cabinet guy come in. I'll be meeting them back here on the job, and you know, we'll be installing. We have 31 cabinets to install on Thursday, so we'll be putting them together and install them. But you know, step by step, day by day, we're making progress. So stay tuned, man. Look, another thing about this hard money, right? You just got to make sure you front load your scope of work so you can get paid out. Because once they come out and inspect the work, then they'll cut the check. So hopefully we